Kotak Royale Signature Credit Card. Let's get to know the basic features of Kotak Royale Signature Credit Card. Processing mode, online, offline, joining fees, nil, annual fees, 999 rupees. Interest rates, up to 3.4%, TAT or turnaround time, 7 to 30 days, minus CIBIL accepted, no. Now let's move to the eligibility. There are two ways you can apply for an Kotak Royale Signature Credit Card: card to card, new card. Card to card, new card. Eligibility for getting card through your existing card. The limit of the existing card must be a minimum of 50k. The existing card's vintage must be a minimum of 9 months. The minimum CIBIL score must be 750. Eligibility to apply for a new card. For salaried people, the minimum employment period must be 4 years. The minimum salary of the applicant must be 30,000 per month. The age of the applicant must be 21 to 60 years. The salary receiving mode must be IMPS, NEFT, bank transfer, or UPI. Salary received in cash or check won't be eligible. The minimum vintage of the employer must be 4 years. The minimum CIBIL score must be 750. For self-employed people, applicant must be an Indian resident. Applicant must have a stable source of income. The age of the applicant must be 21 to 60 years. The minimum CIBIL score must be 750. Eligible professionals: advocate, MBBS, CS, CA, architects, CWA, LIM, employed in hotel, employed in NGOs, employed in real estate. Negative profiles: employed in MCD 4th grade professions, employed as security guard, employed in spa, employed in gym, employed in defense, employed as bartender, employed as a taxi driver, employed in police, employed as delivery boy, employed in aviation sector. Required documents. For new credit card: KYC documents of applicants, copy of Aadhaar card, copy of PAN card, passport size photo. Income documents of applicant, latest 3 months salary slip if salaried, last year ITR with computation if self-employed, last 6 months bank statement. Other documents: latest utility bill of the applicant, if owned, rent agreement of applicant, if rented, office ID card, optional. For card to card: KYC documents of applicants, copy of Aadhaar card, copy of PAN card, passport size photo. Existing credit card documents: existing latest credit card statement, front page card copy, not back side, last 6 months bank statement.